Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to list faster in eBay. So without further ado, let's get started. So firstly what you need to do is click on the sell button here on the top right corner, and now click on list an item. Now here comes the important part. You should write what you are trying to sell. For me, I'm trying to sell sneakers here. Alright, you need to add these keywords to your search. You can add as many keywords as you want so that eBay will make the listing process faster for you, and it will recommend you the already existing products so you can list faster. And now you can find a match from here. Alright, it will show you topics from the product library that is relevant to your product. So from here I will choose the shoe size. Now I will choose the style code. If you have a style code, simply write it. Now you can choose color from here. Basically eBay makes the process much easier for you already, and it will give you relevant product so that you can choose them and list faster. So just simply choose the model from here. The options will be different according to your product, so simply choose and try to choose all of them so that you can choose any of this product and you can start listing faster. So I'm just going to select this one. It is too identical with my product that I want to sell. The item details below will pre-fill your listing. Alright, simply click on new with box if it is new with box. Alright, so as you can see, it is showing the mock-up product, so you can change the picture from here. I will change it later if I want. You can import from your web. Now as I scroll down, you will be able to see that the listing process has been already made for us by eBay. So as you can see, the whole process that was so lengthy, it is done within few steps. So as you can see, now we will preview it and try to see how does it look. So that's how you can list faster on eBay. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a wonderful day.